The SMMC sessions are directly aligned with the most challenging goals that we're having internally with ONORNL and Department of Energy. So if you look across our challenges for transitioning to hydrogen, how to electrify everything that we can, how to decarbonize those hard to abate sectors like rail, marine, off-road, and aviation, and then how will connectivity both improve freight and people movement efficiency, but also help with safety.
The first year that it was, I believe it was maybe 4 or 5 years ago when I came, it was very new to me. This was an area that we were trying to get into more smart transportation, and I learned quite a bit. And I came back the year after, which was right before pandemic, and I'm very excited to be here this year as well. And I can see how much things have changed. We're focusing a lot on more on hydrogen, decarbonization, and more towards sustainability and resiliency of the system. So definitely, I've seen the change, and it's exciting to be back and each time learn something new.
These are really difficult problems that we're working on. It gives us the ability to learn from others, see different perspectives, different viewpoints, different opinions outside of your industry on what others are doing and what might work for you that you haven't seen before.
Well, one thing, it's connecting national labs to the industry, to government, and to practitioners. And I think that's very important to make sure that we do that to have a full, holistic solution that meets the goals of decarbonization.
The favorite part really is that we bring together a lot of bright minds and discuss about the right way into the future. And to me, it also, listening to the discussions and presentations, it gives you impulses, and you think about things you have not thought about before. To me, it's a good thing to keep a broad perspective and learn.
Having the entire community all together and brainstorming about these different paths at this juncture is very important, because I think the path may change because of the technology development. Will enable us to get there. Different technologies will get there at different times, but then given the national goal of 2050 economy-wide decarbonization, once in a while, in this case, we only did it this is the third year, right? We did it again. But my hope is that we continuously doing this every year, so we come back and see what we've done and then sort of re-baseline and then project for the next couple of years.